Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to turn on dark mode on LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open the app, and after that go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that, click on settings. After that, click on account preferences, and as you can see there is an option called display. Click on it. And after that, you will have three choices. Device settings, that means the app will follow your device. So if your device is on black mode, the app will be on dark mode. And if your device is on light mode, the app also will be on light mode. So to make it directly to dark mode, we have just to click on it. And as you can see, the LinkedIn app now is on dark mode and you can use it on dark mode. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you.